Let's be real. In any warehouse, the forklift is king. It's the absolute workhorse that keeps our entire logistics world spinning. But what if I told you that workhorse is capable of so much more than you think?
And that brings us to the big question, right? Is your forklift a true, versatile workhorse? Or is it kind of a one-trick pony? Because, yeah, it's essential for lifting pallets, but in today's crazy fast supply chains, those limits can become major roadblocks.
The thing is, the modern warehouse is just a different beast. It demands more of everything. More flexibility, way more speed, and the ability to handle, well, anything that comes through the door, whether it's on a pallet or not. And trying to have a separate machine for every single job, that just creates bottlenecks and absolutely kills your efficiency.
But what if you could give the machine you already have a massive upgrade? That's what we're going to talk about. We're calling it the Swiss Army upgrade. It's a whole strategy built around forklift attachments, and trust me, it can totally change the game for your operation.
Here's the best way to think about it. Attachments basically transform your forklift from a single tool, like just a basic knife, into a multifunctional Swiss Army knife. All of a sudden, that one machine you already own has the potential to solve dozens of different problems right there on the warehouse floor.
And the benefits here? They create this awesome chain reaction. It all starts with productivity. Your team can just do more faster. That naturally makes things safer because you're using the right tool for the job every time. That versatility means fewer costs. I mean, one machine is doing the work of many, so you're saving on labor, maintenance, you name it. And it's all tied together by these seamless transitions. No more waiting around.
Look at the difference here. This is a huge shift in thinking. The old way meant you were juggling all these specialized machines, which led to higher costs and so much downtime. The new way? It's about creating one truly versatile machine. And the results are clear. Lower costs, super quick transitions, and the power to handle literally any load that comes your way.
Okay, so let's pop open this new toolbox. We're going to take a quick tour of some of the most impactful attachments that really unlock a forklift's hidden potential.
First up, let's tackle one of the biggest headaches in any warehouse, those awkward, non-palletized loads. You know what I'm talking about. The solution is this family of attachments called clamps, and they are designed specifically to grab things that forks just can't.
And what's so cool is the level of specialization. Instead of just trying to make it work, there's a specific clamp for almost every job you can imagine. We're talking about moving massive paper rolls without crushing them, safely hauling drums of liquid, or even handling big appliances like refrigerators and washing machines. There's a tool for that.
But, some jobs aren't about clamping at all. They're about lifting stuff in a way that standard forks could never, ever do. This is where we have to go beyond the forks. Say hello to the boom extension. This thing is a game changer. It basically turns your forklift into a compact mobile crane. So instead of needing a whole separate expensive piece of equipment, you use your existing forklift to lift and move heavy stuff, even in really tight spots.
And don't underestimate the power we're talking about. Some of these attachments can hoist over 5,000 pounds and reach out 12 feet. That is serious lifting capability, all from one simple attachment.
Okay, but what about just pure, raw productivity? Especially if you're in a high-volume warehouse, well, it's pretty hard to beat this next one. Let's talk about the dual pallet handler.
The genius here is its simplicity. It has 4 adjustable forks, so an operator can either lift one pallet like normal or spread the forks out to grab 2 pallets side by side. You're literally doubling your throughput on every single trip. You can change the setup in just a few minutes, and that secure grip actually means you're less likely to have spills and drops. It's a win-win.
So when you put all these different tools together, you start to see that this is about more than just some new attachments. This is really about sparking an efficiency revolution across your entire operation.
There's a line in the source material that just hits the nail on the head. It says, "Tools that empower workers to do more work more quickly and safely can improve the overall efficiency of an operation." That's it, right there. It's all about empowerment.
And that impact is holistic. You're not just getting a little boost in one area. No, you're getting a major lift in productivity, which in turn enhances safety, which reduces your costs, which gives you way more flexibility. It's a compounding effect that adds up to a complete strategic upgrade.
And that brings us to the most important takeaway of all. A forklift attachment isn't just another expense on a spreadsheet. It's a strategy. It's an investment in doing more with what you already have, empowering your team, and making your whole operation stronger and more profitable.
At the end of the day, your forklift is already a workhorse. It does the heavy lifting day in and day out.
So the only question left to ask is, isn't it time you gave that workhorse the toolbox it deserves?